Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Signum Windmere near Madhyamgram railway station on Shodhpur Madhyamgram road and opposite to APC College Madhyamgram. And you can see this is our living cum dining area of this apartment. This is our sample apartment of 1252 square feet sellable area. So now come inside. This is the dining space. And this side you will get attached balcony like this. It's a grand balcony with a size of almost 11 feet by 4 feet with a beautiful view outside. And come this side. So we are entering into the lobby space. So this is the lobby, and on my left hand side this is the kitchen space. So beautifully crafted kitchen with having L pattern countertop and with a big window and modular kitchen finishes. So you can decorate like this. The size of this kitchen is approximately 10 feet by 6 feet. It's a beautiful rectangle shaped kitchen, smartly designed. And now come this side. Just beside that, this is the common toilet space. It's a grand common toilet space with having a size of 10 feet by 6 feet. So as you can see, separate space for bath, wall mount commode and the basin area. And just opposite to the common toilet, this is the first bedroom. So see the first bedroom. So we are entering into the first bedroom and see with a standard size bed and excellently designed. This side you can have your TV unit over here, and this side a wardrobe space like this you can decorate. And the size of this bedroom is approximately 11 feet by 12, almost a square size bedroom. And come this side, just opposite to that, this is the second bedroom. So come into that. So this second bedroom is having a grand bed with having windows on both the side, and this is the study table. And this side you can decorate wardrobe like this. So come this side. So opposite to this second bedroom, this is the master bedroom. We are entering into the master bedroom space. So this is the master bedroom with having a king size bed, and this master bedroom is having windows on both the side for excellent cross ventilation. And you can decorate your wardrobe like this and study table also. So it's a great space. The approximate area of this master bedroom is approximately 12 by 13 feet long. And not only that, this master bedroom is also having a grand attached balcony space. So come and see. So this is the attached bathroom with having separate space for bath and wall mount commode in the basin area. So this is a perfect apartment of 3 BHK with 2 toilets. So thanks for watching. If you are interested for this property, then please call us as early as possible, because we are having some exciting deals for you and offers are limited. So please hurry up. Please call. We are waiting for your valuable feedbacks and responses. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe our channel for further updates.